Imagine this, you still have a perfectly good pair of wired earphones, great sound, comfortable fit, and no lag. But when you try to plug them into your new phone, there's no headphone jack. Don't worry. In this video, you'll learn how to connect any wired earphone to any modern smartphone, even if your device has only USB-C or Lightning ports. Let's start with why headphone jacks disappeared. Most new phones removed them to save internal space, add bigger batteries, improve water resistance, and push users toward wireless audio. But that doesn't mean your wired earphones are obsolete. You just need the right method to connect them. Method 1. Use an original or certified audio adapter. If your phone uses USB-C, look for a USB-C to 3.5mm audio adapter with a built-in DAC. DAC stands for Digital to Analog Converter. Without it, your phone won't recognize your wired earphones. For iPhone users, you'll need the Lightning to 3.5mm audio adapter from Apple or an M5 certified brand. These adapters convert the digital output from the phone into clean analog audio. Method 2. Use a multi-port adapter. If you want to charge your phone while listening through wired earphones, choose a splitter that has one audio port and one charging port. Make sure it supports audio plus charging simultaneously, because many cheap splitters only work for charging. Method 3. Use wired earphones with a USB-C plug. Some brands now produce wired earphones that plug directly into USB-C. This is the simplest option, no adapter needed. Just make sure the earphones support your device's audio standard. Method 4. Use a portable DAC or audio interface. If you want premium sound quality, a small external DAC can make even cheap wired earphones sound better. Just plug the DAC into your phone's USB-C port, then connect your earphones. This method gives richer bass, clearer vocals, and higher volume. Before you buy anything, check this: your phone model and port type, whether the adapter has a built-in DAC, whether the splitter supports audio plus charging, reviews from users with the same phone. And that's it. Even though modern phones no longer include headphone jacks, your wired earphones are still 100% usable with the right adapter or DAC. It's simple, affordable, and works with almost every device. Now you can enjoy music, play games, or watch movies on your new phone using your favorite wired earphones. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.